Hello, I'm Başak Burakçi and this is my SE 380 homework 1. I removed all the comments from the original Flutter template and changed integer counter 0 to list integer numbers. Originally, the counter was an integer variable used to keep track of the number of times button was pressed. I changed this to list integer numbers, which is a list of integers. I replaced increment counter function with insert new number. The original function increment counter was incrementing the counter variable by 1 each time it was called. I replaced this with insert new number. This new function generates a random number between 0 and 100 and adds it to the numbers list. This signifies a shift from simply counting button presses to storing a series of random numbers generated with each button press. To talk about modifications in the build function, generally this is in UI, and to reflect these changes, instead of playing the value of the counter, I'm now displaying each number in the numbers list. This is done using a column widget containing a series of text widgets, each created for an item in the numbers list. In task 2, it is for replacing the center widget with align widget, and it is aligned it to the right side of the screen. What I did is replacing center with align. Originally, center widget was used, which centers its child with itself. I replaced it with align widget, which allows for more flexible alignment for its child widget. Also, inside the align widget, I can specify the alignment. To align the content to the right, I can use alignment that's center right. For task 3, I use Flutter Inspector also to compare the geometry of the column widget before and after the changes. I tried lots of things like main axis alignment or cross axis alignment or padding of the column widget, but in the end I use expanded. Expanding covers all the screen. We can understand by using Flutter Inspector select widget mode, and it visually inspects the changes in the layout. While recording my homework, I was not aware of the rule for putting our student ID. So you can understand time flies and I keep doing my homework. You see my local history, you see my school ID and my name somewhere. Maybe not in the video, but it's still in the same computer and it's me. You can understand I did the homework because I give lots of effort for this homework, and you can understand by time, by the same computer. Also somewhere I also changed the code and play it with my school ID and my name also. To talk about task 3 more, the original layout might have had the column with default padding and alignment, but in task 3 I changed it with expanded so it covers whole the screen and the problem is solved. So that's me, that's my homework, and this is my original work. I did all the thing. Thank you for listening.